Welcome to FacePaintcom. I'm Shelley Wapniak.
And I'm your model, Thomas Cole.
And today we're painting fur babies. So we designed a puppy dog with the fur Prisma cake, and this is a dog on Thomas's face. It's fun and easy and fast because you have all the colors already there on the cake, so it blends immediately, which means you get a dynamic kind of 3D or the depth without having to work on shading and shadowing, which is really great for beginners and amazing when you just don't have the time. Outlined it with some black, threw in some white to create that cartoon shine, and of course you can't forget the tongue in the summers because doggies do need to sweat. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We are here with FacePaintcom.
And if you'd like to recreate the face paint you've seen today, check out the links to the products in the description below, and be sure to like and subscribe while you're at it. See you next time.
Bye.